an exciting new job. And he's going to be coming along with us. But not really a new job. It's more of a job that I'm doing at work for a customer. Which isn't... It's complicated. But what we're doing... A set of wheels. What we've got here is the new wheels for Liam, Mr. LNB Logistics Iveco. The one we painted, which I'll put a link into the video, which I'd painted it below. Dash is just about to go mental because Luigi, the Super Tune rep, has just turned up. And yeah, so we're going to paint these. These are going to be green to match his wagon, green with a white lip. So let's get stuck in unloading them and then see how we get on. And up there on Liam's wheels. Cracking on with them. So what I've got done now is I've actually got them in the oven. I've flattered them, I've prepped them, I've sanded them down, all that stuff. Did I film it on YouTube? Ooh, nearly lost my... it's holding on just. I'll just hold the mic. Hello. That would be probably creepy. So yeah, I don't know where I've been. I've lost my camera for about 2 weeks. And found it in my tool bag. Well done, me. And yeah, so I've flattened them all down. I've rubbed them down with 320. And then a red Scotch Brite all over. All in the nooks and crannies and nooks and fannies. Done all the holes, insides and outs. I haven't done the barrel, like the inside beads of the barrels, because they're fine anyway. Different waste materials doing that. Time for 2 coats of epoxy primer and 2 coats of green. Of course, the epoxy primer I'm using is Ceramix 7413, supplied on courtesy of Jonathan over in LMP Northern Ireland. Absolutely love that product now. It's one of my favourite go-tos for stuff like this. And then top coat is going to be HMG because I've already got it from when I did Liam's wagon last time. For stirring up epoxy, anyone that knows how much of a pain in the arse it is trying to mix primers and epoxies and stuff. And if you didn't know, you're going to learn now. It is thick, goopy old stuff, and when it sits a while, it all settles to the bottom. So you need to give it a good stir. But if you're stirring it by hand, you'll be on forever and a day. I got myself an old paddle, like a plastic mixer paddle. Just stick that in and just send it. Obviously not full speed. Makes life so much easier. I'm going to stick it in a time lapse while I rag them off, and then yeah, we'll probably be on a quick time lapse while I put some paint on, and hopefully it should look decent in the video. I hope. Stuck in wet. In the garage, where the grease runs deep. Primer is on. 2 coats of epoxy primer on them. Let that go off. I might have to let it go off overnight, to be honest. Because the temperature's so cold outside now, it's now like end of November, getting into December as we're doing this job. And it's so cold, everything takes so much longer to go off. Even in the oven, I've got the oven set to 30-35 minutes. But because the wheels have been outside in the cold, they're taking forever to warm up. They're still relatively cold to the touch, so I might have to leave these go, get some warmth into them tonight, leave these go off overnight, and possibly come down and paint them in the morning. I've got my car wheels to powder coat tomorrow, I think. But yeah, need to see how Kimmy is feeling, because it is also Little Bean is due any minute now, so yeah. It's all systems go at the minute. All systems go. It's now Saturday. I let them go off overnight. And as you can tell, I'm in my old school hoodie. A lot of you might not have seen this hoodie, actually. This style hoodie. This is the style of hoodie I had before my new ones came out. So, yeah. I found it in my wardrobe and thought, I want to wear that again. They've gone off. I had to flat a couple of runs out where I got a couple of runs, but let's be honest, if you don't get in runs, you're not putting enough paint on. Green, this bit green, I'm just going to let that get oversprayed, whatever. I might even paint the whole thing. Essentially coat the whole wheel, and then I'll scotch and mask it and stuff. I put some Rocket in the colour. Rocket is a catalyst which helps the paint go off faster. I forgot my mask. Well done, me. And yeah, Rocket is a catalyst that helps paint go off faster, especially in the cold, because it is cold. Whether I get them done all today, because the problem is I'm going to have to mask onto fresh paint, which is a big no-no really. But if it goes off and I can get it more rocketed and gone off, I don't know. But I also might get some work on the wagon done today. So there'll probably be the wagon video out before this video. I don't know. We'll see. So I've got doing some filming. So I've just got the green on, which is looking good. That go off, and then the beads and the barrels, whatever you want to call them, they're all going to be white. I've done the inside barrels on the Supers. So they're green. I'll show you as well. They're all green. Yeah, and now we've just got to let that go off, and then I'll mask that green up and put the white on. Whether that happens today or not, I don't know. It's really awkward having two cameras at once. It's confusing. Confuse me little brain. Confuse me little brain. Well, I've got everything rubbed down and ready to paint. I've masked everything up. It's all masked up. That was an absolute nightmare. In hindsight, what I might do next time when I do them is do the outers first and then go into the inners. Hindsight, maybe, I don't know. I don't think there is an easy way to do it, to be honest. But this is what we're going to get done. We're going to get these painted white now. Unfortunately, I can't show you them on the wagon, but I can show you them all done, shiny and ready to go. And we'll just have to get some pictures off Liam, or videos off Liam, when he gets them on the wagon. Right, so I've just been moving my wagon around. No wheels are done. Look at this, man. How good do they look? Oh, look at them. Green with the white Iveco. These are actually Iveco white, with the same green that we painted the rest of the wagon in. So they will look absolutely mint on that wagon. Absolutely mint. That's it for the video. Unfortunately, like I say, I can't show you them when they're on the wagon. We'll have to wait for Liam to send some pictures up. We'll post them on social media, on YouTube. I'll post the pictures on here and all that stuff. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. If anyone wants anything like this done, give us a shout. I'll get you an estimate sorted out, see what I can help you out with. And yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Come back for more wagon content, mine, other people's, making sexy wheels like these, or even working on my wagon and trailer as you've seen before. Cheers and ta-ra for now.